morning, everybody. Hallelujah. B's looking at me like, who are you talking to? Hallelujah, I got my camera lens back and I'm so happy because that stupid Nikon is just not good for filming at all. Baby girl is getting into all kinds of mischief today, aren't you? She's got this outfit's from my sister-in-law, Thea. We call her Auntie TT, and Uncle Sean. They got her this little outfit. It's like a one piece, and there's a little bow, and there's a bumblebee on the other side. There it is. And she has her black and gold headband and these little shoes. Actually, this entire outfit is from them, but she won't keep her shoe on, so that is that. So I thought I'd give you guys a little TTC update. I feel like I haven't talked to you in the longest time, and that's because I had a lot of pre-recorded videos that I was uploading, so I literally haven't talked to you on this camera for like a week, and it was driving me insane. But I wanted to update you guys on TTC. So obviously, as you know, last round did not work. I was so sure I was pregnant and it didn't happen. But at the same time, I'm like, well, obviously it didn't happen because we were only intimate one time in my cycle, and it was the day after I ovulated. So it had been more than 12 hours and it just didn't stick. This time, however, we were intimate every other day starting from like my fertile window. So I think we were intimate on day 12, 15, and 17. No, 12, 14, and 16. 12, 14, 16. And I'm 99% sure I ovulated last night because I was sitting here, Colin was asleep on the couch, I was on my YouTube editing I was watching videos, and then I was editing a video, and it was like 7 o'clock, and I felt like my period was coming. I had such intense cramps, and I was like, oh my God, I think I'm ovulating. So it was a little bit late for me, but we were intimate within like 3 hours of me feeling that. So fingers crossed this time worked. I can't test until the week of the 23rd. So just know that it's gonna be a little bit before I can test. I do have some pre-recorded, like I will have some pre-recorded videos, but they're all gone. So I'm kind of starting from scratch. So hopefully it worked, and we'll see what happens. But we were intimate, yeah, 3 times this cycle, so fingers crossed. Guys, Colin's uncle and aunt got Blake, she's playing with her diapers, this little baby doll. It's her first little, well, she has another baby doll, but this is her first like baby. And she loves it, and it comes with a little bottle that's just over there, and she actually feeds her baby. Is this your baby? Oh, is that your baby? Do you want your baby? Give her a kiss. Oh, good girl. So I'm just waiting on Colin to get here so that we can go to my parents' house. We celebrated my dad's birthday already. His birthday's July 10th. So we celebrated it already. However, we're doing like another just little barbecue just with the 4 of us and Blake today. So that is what we are doing. It's a beautiful day. It's like literally like 30 degrees outside, so it's really hot. And yeah, I know this is really random, but I feel like I haven't talked to you forever, so I'm just gonna be a chatterbox for a second here. I started taking apple cider vinegar every single day. I do 2 tablespoons in water with a tablespoon of honey, so it's bearable. And my skin, I don't have any makeup on my skin. I still have like redness, but I have no blemishes. My blackheads and stuff like that have like almost completely gone. My digestion's so much better, and I don't crave things. Like I swear in this last week I've lost like 5 pounds just from, maybe not 5, but just from drinking it, because it levels out your blood sugar, it cleans out your colon, it cleans out your liver and your kidneys. So if you guys are like wanting something to help you with weight loss and just general health, it's really great, and I've been loving it. So, but yeah, we're just gonna wait till dad gets here, and then we'll go to my parents' house. Ignore the little play set in the dining room. We don't have our fence up yet, so I don't really want to put it outside. So we're just leaving it in there until our backyard's done. But so it's kind of like a little playroom slash Colin's man bottle cave. What you doing? You crazy girl. Crazy. Ah. So Colin, do you think that this last trying to conceive worked?
I don't know, you got the good moves. I think I hit Peter.
Do you really think it worked this time? Or do you think maybe no?
I think we got her.
I think so too. Especially because the first time we only tried once, and then this time it was 3 times. So
I'm tuckered out.
I know, I'm tuckered out too. That is a lot. Maybe there's other people out there that's like the norm to be intimate every other day, but I think that's a lot. You need to think that's a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it worked. And if it worked, do you think it's a boy or a girl?
Twin boys.
Twin boys, oh my god. I would die. Well, I mean, I could get through it, but twins are kind of a lot, so. You really think twin boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Or is that what you're hoping for?
That's what's in you.
Mom, who's the baking queen, made these cheddar biscuits. Tell me they don't look amazing. And honestly, they tasted so good. These bees wreaking havoc on Grandma and Grandpa's house. But that's okay. The boys are doing my breaks because they needed to be done. And then I'm gonna help my mom with some making pasta salad. And then we're gonna go outside and play. Splish splash! This is one of Blake's presents from my parents for her birthday, and she's got my brother's old baseball hat on from when he was a baby. Look, Bee. Look, we fill up the cup. Look, ready? Watch. Whee! That didn't go well though, that time. Splash, splash. Splish, splash. Yes, water. Yay! Yay! You know what I just finished saying this morning to myself when I was
Isn't that beautiful? Oh, wow. Isn't that pretty? Lindsay's taking pictures.
Oh yes.
Instagram, baby. Instagram.
Hey guys, we're home now. Well, Colin's gonna be home in 2 seconds. He just had to go and get gas for me. I put the baby to bed, so she's tuckered out because she did not nap at my parents' house, and look how sparse my eyebrows are. Oh my god. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.